Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram chat theme color. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right, and then you need to select any conversation, and then you need to click on the icon in the top right, and here you can click on theme, and here you can find different themes here. Okay, and you can see that different themes are here, and if you want to change color and gradients, you can find different colors here. You can choose according to your choice. So I'm going to select the kiwi for this example. So you can see that my chat theme color changed. So this is our process by which you can change Instagram chat theme color. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.